Good evening, Saranya. Good evening, Anila. Good evening, Gautam. My Kannadi means specs only, na? I lost my Kannadi. Shall we start the class? Now look here. First question for today. First we will start with an easy question. If they will give you y will be equal to ax square plus bx plus c by root under x, then how you are exactly going to differentiate? Adit, good evening beta. How you are exactly going to differentiate this question? Shreya, good evening beta. How you are going to differentiate this question? Come on, quickly do this. Now direct differentiation, no need of first principle. Okay, without application of first principle, shall we do this one? Without application of first principle, shall we do this one? We only have to do ax square plus bx plus c by root under x is there. So how to differentiate and how to get the content? Only one simple method we have to do, and that is y will be equal to ax square by root under x plus bx by root under x plus c by root under x. Kritika, good evening beta. So c by root under x. So we can distribute like this also. And after that it will become a x to the power 2. Root under x will go up. It will become x to the power minus 1 by 2. Here b x into x to the power minus 1 by 2. And say here x to the power minus 1 by 2. So before differentiation we are doing all this work. So here 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 1 will become 3 by 2. So it is coming as x to the power 3 by 2 plus b to the power 1 by 2, x to the power 1 by 2, and here c x to the power minus 1 by 2. Now we are ready for differentiation. So once we are exactly solving till this, now we can differentiate this one. So we are just going to do one small work, and that is differentiating both sides. So dy by dx will be equal to a x to the power 3 by 2 dx plus d bx to the power 1 by 2 dx and plus c x to the power minus 1 by 2 dx is there. So now after this what we are going to do is, a is a constant, it will come out x to the power 1 by 2. So sorry, 3 by 2 will come out, and here it will become x to the power 3 by 2 minus 1, plus b will come out x to the power 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 will come out, here x to the power 1 by 2 minus 1 will be there, plus c x to the power, so 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 will come out, and here it will become x to the power minus 1 by 2 minus 1, x to the power minus 1 by 2 minus 1. Saranya, Pooja, good evening beta. Saranya, absolutely super beta. So it is exactly going to come as a, so 3a by 2 x to the power 1 by 2. Here it will become plus 1 by 2b, this will be x to the power minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 x to the power minus 1 by 2, and here c minus b will be up, here minus c by 2 minus c by 2 x to the power minus 3 by 2. So like this we can differentiate, like this we can differentiate. Okay, like this we can differentiate. So now we are going to go for the next question. I just distributed like this because I just used differentiation into all part. Now another question is, if they will give you like f of x equal to root under x plus 1 by root under x to the power 2, and then they are asking the question that what f of x plus 1 f of x will be equal to this. They are asking find f dash x, also find f dash 1, also find f dash 1. So for this type of question what you have to do, first important work is differentiate, and then next important work is find f dash a, f dash 1. So whatever derivative part is there, first you have to differentiate, and after finding that differentiation, now next important work is you have to exactly substitute the value and you have to check that one out. Fine, shall we do like that? Come on, go for it. Let's see, Saranya, come on, everyone do it. Because after this we are going to start probability. Offline class we are going to go for 3D, and from this Saturday onwards, first this Saturday and Sunday, we are having trigonometry and conic section, 2 mark, 3 mark and 4 mark revision. Okay, so questions will be there and we will have a revision session. From this week onwards, because I think from 7th of March you are having your final examination, ACS blessings examination is going on right now. So Saranya, tell me the answer first. So I have to start giving revision to all of you, chapter wise revision. First trigonometry revision we will start. Come on, do it fast. What will be the answer? From 21st March you have exam. That means we have sufficient time then. We have sufficient time to revise then. Good evening, Aparna. Good evening, Aparna. Good evening, beta. So now shall we do our work? Shall we do our work? Our question is given as f of x equal to root under x plus 1 by root under x whole square. Now first you have to find f dash x and you have to find f dash 1. F dash x and f dash 1. You have to find exactly both of it. So now first work is we are going to find it as f dash x first we are going to find. So to get in school, did they finish the syllabus? So now f dash x is exactly going to be first work is we will be just solving f dash x. F of x first find. F of x will be equal to root under x whole square plus 1 by root under x whole square plus 2 into root under x into 1 by root under x. This and this will get cancelled. This part will be coming as x. This part will be coming as 1 by x plus 2. So f of x is coming this much. F of x is coming this much. Hirendran, good morning, good evening, beta. So f of x is coming this much. So f of x is root under x whole square plus 1 by root under x whole square plus 2 into root under x plus 1 by root under x. So this root under x and root under x will get cancelled. Once it is exactly going to get cancelled, okay, Saranya is telling answer is coming as 0 and Gautam is telling answer is coming 1 by 1 minus x square. Let's see what answer is exactly going to come. First, to what question they have given, first check that one out. See, they have given f of x is equal to root under x plus 1 by root under x whole square is there. So first work what I have done is first I have solved this, that is whole square. By differentiation also we can do, but better is we are exactly first going to open it and bring it into differentiable part. So now once you have done like this, what I have done, a square f of a plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here root under x whole square means x, root under 1 minus so 1 by root under x whole square means 1 by x plus 2 into root under x will get cancelled. Now next work is we have to exactly find the derivative of it. So when we are finding derivative of it, x will become 1. Now here derivative of this one will become minus 1 by x square and constant will become 0. So once you got f dash x, now after getting f dash x, what work you have to do? Now Gautam, it is correct. So now they are asking what is the value of f dash 1. So when f dash 1 they are talking about, that means now instead of x we have to substitute 1. So it will become 1 minus 1. So this part will become 0. So answer will be coming as 0. So this is a way of solving the question when they are giving you f of x is equal to root under x plus 1 by root under x whole square, and then after solving answer is coming as 0. Pooja, absolutely correct, beta. Okay, she has applied that formula, that is also correct, Pooja. So now next question I am going to ask. Let's see how you are handling this question. Now question given to you is y is equal to 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus x4 by 4 factorial. Like this it is exactly going, and they are telling you it is going on. Now you have to find dy by dx will be equal to what? Dy by dx is nothing but f dash x. Correct, Pooja? So dy by dx is nothing but f dash x. So they are asking what will be f dash x. What will be f dash x? So f dash x will be equal to 1. Come on, tell me what answer is going to come in this. The most important thing here is they have not give any limitation. If they might have went with like this, x to the power n by n factorial, then we could have thought of doing something. But the most important thing is they have not written like this. Means this derivative is exactly, whenever you will be finding the derivative, it will keep on going. It will keep on going. It is not going to be get stopped. So it will keep on going. It is not going to get stopped. Now how you are going to proceed with this type of questions? So when such questions will be coming, how you are going to proceed with this type of questions? F dash x is there. So when f dash x will be there, how you are going to proceed? Very good, Saranya. But Saranya, you have to give a proper answer there. See, they are very clever. Clever in like these type of questions when they will be giving now. If these questions are coming in MCQ, then they will give you some options. But when this is an open question, then it is totally dependent upon how you are handling this question. Fine. So now, what is the best way of handling this question? The question exactly is very simple. Now we have to, first we know that y is equal to this much given. That means it will be coming as f of x. It will be coming as f of x. Fine. So it is coming as f of x. Now f of x is equal to 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus x4 by 4 factorial f of x is 1 plus x by 1 factorial, x square by 2 factorial, x cube by 3 factorial. Now, if you will differentiate it, then this will become differentiation of 1 dx, differentiation of x dx. 1 factorial means nothing but 1 only. Now differentiation of x square by 2 factorial. 2 factorial here I am writing. The best way of writing is 1 by 2 factorial into differentiation of x square with respect to dx, 1 by 3 factorial into differentiation of x cube with respect to dx, and so on. Okay, now it will go so on, Saranya, but you have to give a closure here, beta. So now here, when just listen to me very particularly, कि differentiation of a constant will become 0. Now differentiation of x will become 1. Now differentiation of x square will become 2x. And now down 2 factorial is there. So 2 factorial can be written as 2 into 1 factorial. See this magic. Now here it is written as 3. 3x square. Differentiation of x cube will become 3x square. Now down it is written as 3 factorial. 3 into 2 factorial. Now differentiation of, if another term will be there, x4, here 1 by 4 factorial will be there and dx will be there. So here it will become 4x cube by 4 factorial. So 4 will become 4 into 3 factorial, and so on. So since there is no limit, the first work is we are first work is we are first going to cancel, which is exactly coming common. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, like this we have to keep on getting cancelling the things. Now 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus so on. So now what is this one is exactly about? So 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial, x square by 2 factorial plus x3 by 3 factorial. What was exactly the question for you? What was the exactly question for you? Now can you tell me what answer you are getting? Good evening, Arvind. Now tell me what answer you are going to get it, because here now one concept is generated. The concept here is we took this question, we differentiated it, whatever was coming we cancelled it also. So differentiation of x will become what? 1. Now here we started, see, question was this one and we got somewhere something. So can anybody tell me what answer you are going to write after this? What answer? Because after this generation, one small work you have to do. Can you tell me what small work you have to do here? Come on, you can do it. Think about it. I gave you a question and now the answer is coming like this, beta. So after giving that question, just come on, tell me what can be the answer here. What can be the answer here? Think about it. What can be the answer here? Saru, Gautam, think about it, because here f dash x equal to 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial. So think about what answer will be coming. See, it is just a technical thing. Since it is going unlimited, the simplest and the best answer coming here is, the answer will be coming here as, the answer will be coming here as f dash x is coming equal to y. Because it was the question itself which was written as y will be equal to, yes, Saranya, x to the power n by n factorial is missing here, Saru. Since it is exactly going continuous, there is no limit out of it. If limit might have been written, if last part might have written, Saranya, like this, then we could not have written y as answer. Then that time it was not possible to write y as answer. So since that part is not there, beta, so what we have done is the continuation of this content is coming. So since continuation of content is coming, then we have only one chance to go for it. We differentiated it. After differentiation, the factorials are there now. We opened the factorials. Yes, Gautam, we opened the factorials and we cancelled the similar numbers. And after that, the factorial started getting reduced by 1. So here factorial was, if you will see very nicely, here factorial was 2 factorial. Now after reduction, it became 1 factorial. The factorial 3 factorial after cancellation become 2 factorial. The factorial 4 factorial after cancellation become 3 factorial. So the factorial started getting reduced by 1. This is a very important point. Okay. And after getting reduced, it is coming as the same as that what is given in the question. Y will be equal to 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial and so on. So like this it is exactly going, and this is nothing but f dash x equal to y. So I hope, are you agreeing with the fact? Are you happy that you got this answer? Tell me fast. This is exactly the way to finish the question. This is a way to finish the question. One more question like this we are going to go. One more question like this we are going to go. That is exactly a proof question. To give that question, first I have created a platform for you so that you can understand the part. So now this was the open question here, because there is no limit given to you. So only we got the answer as f dash y equal to x. Now beta, we are going to go for another question, and that question will be solved with the help of this question. The question given to you is same pattern question. They have given y equal to 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus x4 by 4 factorial. It will keep on going like this. It will keep on going like this, but only one change is there. It is going to come as xn by n factorial. Now we stopped it. Hirendra understood na beta? Now what we are going to go is, we have exactly stopped it. We wrote plus x to the power n by n factorial. End. Now what they are telling, if I am giving you like this, now you have to prove that, f dash x equal to y plus f dash x equal to y plus y minus x to the power n, y minus x to the power n by n factorial. So they want you to prove this one. They want you to prove this one. They wanted to prove this one, and if you might have heard me very clearly for the first question, you will solve this question in no time. You will be able to, trust me, you will be able to solve this question. It's nothing but only steps are needed here. So come on, try this question out. Same steps what you have done in the previous part, you have to do the repetition of that steps. Only one small work is there, something you have to add, something you have to subtract. After this, what link to give you? So now look here, I'm going to solve this question, exactly what you have to do here. So y will be equal to, everything is given. Then you will say, auntie, what is the load here? It is simple only. F dash x equal to differentiation of 1 dx plus but here 1 is there, along with 1 here 1 factorial is there, here it is exactly 2 factorial is here 3 factorial is here 4 factorial is there, and then n factorial. So now what work we have to do? Proved. Very good, Saranya. So now look here, only one simple thing we have to do is, we have to just keep on writing like this. Now this time, this part differentiation of a constant will become 0. This part differentiation will become 1. The way we have done in the previous question, same thing we are going to do. Here this part is coming as 2 factorial can be written as 2 into 1 factorial into 2x plus so now 2x plus 1 by 3 factorial will be written as 3 into 2 factorial. 3 got opened as 3 into 2 factorial and it is coming as 3x square. In the same way, 4 into 3 factorial and it is coming as 4x cube. And in the same way, it will come n into n minus 1 factorial into n x to the power n minus 1. One term lesser than x to the power n minus 1. So one term lesser than, proved Hirendra, super. So now look here, we have to just do one thing, we have to start cancelling beta. Gautam solved. So here solve Pooja, Shreya, Anila, Kritika, solve beta. So n and n got cancelled. So after cancelling, what you are getting? After cancelling, what you are getting? It is coming as Arvind, Adit, tried beta. Check this one nicely. So here it is exactly going to come as 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial, and beta it will go till x to the power n minus 1 by n minus 1 factorial. Problem here is कि whatever sequence was there, whatever series was there, now the series is exactly getting reduced by 1. So one total term is missing here. One total term is missing here. And y is exactly having all that term, and here this term extra was there. So now this is term less than one term. So what we are going to do here is, now this is coming as f dash x. Now beta this is coming as what? F dash x. So f dash x is coming as this much. So now one small work I am going to do is f dash x equal to everything I am going to write as it is, x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial till it is exactly going for x to the power n minus 1 factorial plus one term I am going to add, x to the power n by n factorial. So this is one extra term I have added because this term is one less than this term. And now if I have added, so I am going to subtract also. So once I have done like this, only addition and subtraction, but you know that this term is one less than this term, means after 9, 10 comes na, in this, when you have written y, in y section you see, just imagine this is the 10th term, but after differentiating, the 10th term got reduced by 9. So what we have done is, we just added the term which got lost. So now this term again came and minus we have done. So now after doing minus, now what will come beta? f dash x will be, this total part will become what? This total will become equal to y, because exactly in the question this was written as 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x by square by 2 factorial. This part was totally equal to y, and then here what you have to write, beta, minus what you have exactly added and subtracted left over, and this is what you had to prove. This is what you had to prove. So this is a way to approach the questions. Okay, these are the ways to approach a question. Now one very technical question is given to you. This question is based on trigonometry, but I really want all of you to start solving questions like this. It will be like start from here now onwards 12th syllabus. 12th syllabus means just introduction I am just giving you, so that you will be able to go for these questions with ease in higher classes. So one question is given to you, y will be equal to root under 1 minus cos x, 1 minus cos 2x, like take 1 minus cos 2x, and here it is coming as 1 plus cos 2x. X belongs to 0 to pi by 2 union pi by 2 to mu. You have to find dy by dx. So in this type of question will be giving to you, first thing is that what will come in your brain is that what is exactly the interval is about. Why they have given this part. Definitely whenever in a question in higher classes, means now this is the stepping stone. After this, whatever question you will see in that question, if this part is there, we are never going to ignore this section, because this is exactly one alarm or warning. So whenever some questions will be given to you, we see these sections as warning because they are exactly having a very vital role in the question itself. That's why it is given in the question now. So now first work is what we are going to do in this question, because everything looks easy here, but it is not exactly easy here. What we have to do here? Come on, quickly tell me. Anyone? Then I am going to tell you one technique, trigonometric formula. This Saturday trigonometry, very important session I am going to keep, where trigonometry A to Z I am going to teach. From means 2-3 class continuous back to back I am going to take live stream, and I am going to just give timing also, where full A to Z trigonometry questions we are going to finish. Fine. Means that will be the end point of the trigonometry, from beginning till end. All specific important question for your coming examination we are going to finish. Fine. So now just look here. Look into this question. Y will be equal to root under 1 minus root under 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos 2x is there. Then first thing is that you should know the formula. You should know the formula. What is the formula? Come on, formula for cos 2x. If somebody will be telling you cos 2x formula, then you know what, I will play with cos 2x formula now. I really like the formula of cos 2x. One formula, 3 different types. So one, you can write it as cos square x minus sin square x. Second formula for cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1. And third formula for cos 2x is 1 minus 2 sin square x. Now which one is need of the hour, you are going to take accordingly. Fine. So just one small work you have to do. So this is the exactly 3 formulas of cos 2x. Now how to deal with the question. Fine. So we know we have to find, proved, Saru, proved. Now look here beta, there is a technique of solving. I am just going to tell you the technique for solving. First is, we will be writing y will be equal to, so now I gave you 3 formulas. For enjoyment I have not taken this formula. There is a specific reason behind it for taking these 3 formulas out and just talking to you. So now look here, cos 2x, 2 cos square x minus 1. So when, just see first, cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1, then I am going to shift this one that side. So it is exactly going to be 1 plus cos 2x. So 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. Okay, so we came to know that 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. One thing. Now cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. 1 minus 2 sin square x. So this time what we are going to do now, this time we are exactly going to shift cos 2x this side and sin 2x this side. So this time it is coming as 2 sin square x equal to 1 minus cos 2x. Come on, bingo. So we got 1 minus cos 2x and 1 plus cos 2x. So once we have the formula command in with us, we can be able to rock and roll the questions like anytime. So now look here, what I did nothing. Literally I did nothing. I just played with the formula. Cos 2x formula is cos square x minus sin square x. Cos 2x formula is 2 cos square x minus 1. Cos 2x formula is 1 minus 2 cos square x. 3 formulas in your hand. So once you have 3 formulas in your hand, now which one will be applicable where? So now we came to know that 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x. Your question is y equal to root under 1 minus cos 2x by 1 plus cos 2x. So now 1 minus cos 2x. So now 1 minus cos 2x we derived is 2 sin square x. So just write here 2 sin square x. Now cos 2x will become 1 plus cos 2x, and 1 plus cos 2x we have derived it as 2 cos square x. So 2 cos square x. So now 2 and 2 will get cancelled. What you got? So y will be equal to, tell me what you are going to get. Y will be equal to root under sin square x by cos square x. So your answer is coming as y equal to root under tan square x. So y will be equal to root under tan square x. That means y will be equal to tan x. We got y will be equal to tan x. Once you got y will be equal to tan x, now stop. Don't start thinking anything. Now we have an interval given to us. Now we have an interval. So that interval is not that movie interval. That interval is the given interval which is exactly going to divide everything, because questions has to be dealt like that only. All is well. So now look here. Here we started with y. So now we have y will be equal to tan x. But problem is interval. Our interval is 0 to pi by 2 and 0 pi by 2 to pi. 0 to pi by 2 and pi by 2 to pi. So now our work will be, yes, simply when we will be taking beta, we will be writing the answer as secant square x. But this is not the answer. Now we have to distribute tan x into 2 interval. Now Sarnya, look here. We know that your interval given here in the question is, 0 to pi by 2. The first interval given is 0 to pi by 2 and your function is y equal to tan x. Now you know that this tan x is positive in 0 to pi by 2 interval, but the same tan x is negative here in pi by 2 to pi. Pi by 2 to pi. So that means pi by 2 vlogs. Good evening, beta. So here, so just understand this one, that once a question is given, it is given independent of interval. That means you can directly differentiate. But when a question is given with some interval, you cannot play directly here. Then you have to exactly convert it into intervals. Now how you are going to convert it into intervals? Now you are going to write it as, okay fine, after solving this part, your question was y equal to root under 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. I told you which trigonometric formula you can apply. You applied the formula. Then now we are getting finally y equal to tan x. After getting y equal to tan x, our work is to catch the most important point. Now our interval is 0 to pi by 2 and pi by 2 to 180. So now first we are going to say that when x will be lying, answer will be coming as tan x when x belongs to 0 to pi by 2. So in this interval tan x is positive. Next part, when pi by 2 to pi, because they have given in the question itself, they have given that क्योंकि in this interval x is exactly union of 0 to pi by 2 and pi by 2 to 180, means 0 to pi by 2 means one interval, what will be the value, another interval, what will be the value. Don't play hurry burry, play safe. So here it will become minus 10x. Why I am writing here minus tan x beta? I am writing minus tan x because now we know that first interval we have taken, and the first interval is 0 to pi by 2, and now second interval is, in the question itself it has been given that the second interval is pi by 2 to 180. So 90 to 180, and second interval 90 to 180. You know that in second quadrant by the curve of tan theta, this part is tan theta will be coming negative. The curve theta goes down the region. So 100% it will be negative. So we are going to put here as minus tan x, and here we are going to say that why minus tan x? Because x belongs to 190 to 180. This is the last shot. Now this is about y, but we don't have to stop here in y now. Now we have to do what? Now we have to differentiate it. So now let's differentiate it. So when you will differentiate the function, here tan x differentiation will become secant square x when x is taken from 0 to 180. Now it will become minus secant square x when x belongs to 90 to 180. This is the last shot of the question. I hope you might have understood. Come on, quickly tell me. Vlogs understood? Everyone understood this point, beta? This is exactly a very, very important point. Exactly a very important point. We cannot play with this. So yes, union, this one. Now, see, trigonometric union you don't have to do. Here angle, what the specific angle you have taken, Gautam, that part you have to take. Union is not needed there. See, that is not exactly the value. The value exactly given to you is, the values are exactly coming when you are going to substitute x. And x is coming. So secant square x is coming now, beta. So secant square x, and you know another important point, that in second quadrant secant is also negative. In second quadrant secant is also negative. Understood everyone? Very, very important technical points I told you, where to touch, where to leave. So you have to just understand this section. Shall we go for the next question, please? So now let's play with this question. They have given another question. When f of x will be equal to alpha x to the power n, then what will be f dash 1? This is just a 1 mark question. This is just a 1 mark question. Nothing is there in the question. You have to exactly be very careful for solving this question, and this is the most easiest question also. Most easiest question. What will be the answer? Fine. Shall we? What can be the answer for this question? Alpha into n. Let's check Gautam. Gautam is telling alpha into n. Fine. Now look here, beta. So here, you know that f of x is given to you as f of x is equal to alpha x to the power n. When we will differentiate it, it will become d alpha x to the power n by dx. Then what we are going to do? So now alpha will come out because alpha is constant. Differentiation of x to the power n. Okay. Pooja, Shreya, everyone understanding beta? Kritika, my children are very silent today. So this part is going to come as, it will become beta n x to the power n minus 1. Okay. So because differentiation of x to the power n is n x to the power n minus 1. Now they are telling what will be the value of f dash 1. So f dash 1 means wherever x is there you have to substitute 1 there. So it will become alpha n into 1 to the power n minus 1. So it will become only alpha n. It will become only alpha n. Absolutely correct. It is only going to be alpha n beta. Nothing else. It is the most easiest question. By seeing that part na alpha and this thing and f dash 1 na, you will get confused. But nothing to confuse about. It is just a plain question. No ingredient required. Only water and sugar is there. Make juice of it. That is like that only. F of x is given alpha x to the power n. Just you differentiated it. After differentiation, just you have to put 1. Instead of x, you have to put 1 in the derivative section and you will be getting f dash 1 equal to what we got. F dash 1 is equal to alpha into n or n into alpha. This is your answer. So this will be your answer. Okay. Shall we go for the next? Absolutely correct. Now we are going to go to some very easy questions. Okay, so one question I am giving to you. Let's see how fast you are going to handle this question. Question is e to the power x log a plus y equal to e to the power x log a plus e to the power a log x plus e to the power a log a. Solve this question. Solve this question. This is so stupid question. Think about this question because already many a times we have, yesterday itself I was talking about log and exponential. So I think I can give this question. A to the power x is given. Think about, yesterday we were talking about log and exponential so much. So I just reminded about this. We can solve this question. So yesterday one very simple rule I taught you, and that simple rule was e to the power a log a is there. That means this a will go in the power of this. So it will become e to the power log a to the power a. And exponential and log, they are inverse function of each other. Exponential and log are inverse of each other. So directly answer will come a to the power a. Okay, shortcut method yesterday itself we have solved. X by okay. One term Saru and the second term. Third term it will become cancel beta because it is constant. Saru, see the third one beta. See the third one. So now here, first work we are going to do, we will write y will be equal to e to the power. First this x will go in power of a. This a will go in power of x. This a will go in power of a. So now e to the power, it will become x log of a to the power x plus this part will become e to the power log of x to the power a, and this part will become e to the power log of a to the power a. And I told you one very important thing, and that is that exponential and log, they are inverse of each other. So directly a to the power x will come. So directly a to the power x will come. Here x to the power a will come, and here a to the power a will come. So that means y will be equal to a to the power x, x to the power a to the power a. That means exponential and log killed each other. Miss just joking. They're inverse of each other, and by the property we just wrote like that. So once we have written like this, nothing we have to do now. Nothing. We know that what is the differentiation of this. So you are going to say that dy by dx equal to log base a to the power x. Directly we can write. So here differentiation of, we can write it as differentiation of a to the power x dx plus differentiation of x to the power a dx plus differentiation of a to the power a dx is coming. So now here it is coming as dy by dx will be equal to, this part will become log base a to the power x, differentiation of constant to the power variable. Okay, second term will be what? Here a will come and x to the power a minus 1, and this is exactly constant. So this part will become 0. So this is the only two terms which are exactly going to come. Okay. Yeah, you can use chain rule also, Saru. See, look here. You can also use chain rule here. Can I use chain rule and solve the question? Yes. You are very much, you can be able to use chain rule. 100% use chain rule, and it will be done like nothing else. It will be very fast and it will be done. So now I'm just going to use chain rule for solving this question. So same question if I will be solving by the help of chain rule. Same question if I am going to solve with the help of chain rule, what will happen? Y will be equal to e to the power x log a plus e to the power a log x plus e to the power a log a. Now most important, differentiate. Direct differentiation you start. Then this part will become differentiation of e to the power x log a. Now exponential to the power whatever is there, now that will become as the derivative. So that means x log a into differentiation of x log a dx. So whatever e to the power is there, that will be, because when you write differentiation of e to the power x, then you write dx. So x is differentiated with respect to x, then only e to the power x is coming. So here this one, if you are going to take as one variable, then that variable with respect to that will be differentiated, then answer will come straight away, e to the power that variable. So now here this part is exactly going to come as differentiation of e to the power a log x by differentiation of whatever is in the power a log x you write into differentiation of a log x by dx. Now last part is exactly written as, I am writing here differentiation of e to the power a log x. Now chain rule apply, it will become a log x into differentiation of a log x dx, and after that the last term, let's see what last term will be coming. Differentiation of e to the power a log a by differentiation of a log a into differentiation of a log a dx. Over. So now here you know that when you differentiate e to the power x with respect to e to the power x, e to the power x with respect to dx, it will be coming as e to the power x. So here also this with respect to this means directly you can write e to the power x log a, and this part log a is constant, so log a will come out and x will become 1, differentiation. Now e to the power a log x is there. Now here it will become a and log x differentiation will become x. Okay. Now here plus 0. So when you will be using chain rule, the answer will come in the form of the answer. Thank you so much, beta. God bless you. So now look here. So this part is exactly e to the power a log x into a by x is there. And this part, so either you use chain rule or you just use the log and exponential part and solve, you will definitely be getting the perfect answer. Here also, if you will be thinking that auntie got different answer, that I didn't got different answer. Exactly, I got the same answer as we have got by not applying chain rule. So here too we have applied chain rule now, but if we have not applied chain rule here and our answer came here is this one. Okay, so now let's see that after applying chain rule did we got the answer. So now I told you the rule, first you shift here this one and exactly a you shift on x, so it is going to come as e to the power log of a to the power x into log a beta. Now plus here e to the power, it is coming as log of x to the power a is coming and into a is there and down x is there. Now just see the magic part of it. Now exponential and log inverse of each other, so they will kill each other. So it is exactly coming as a to the power x will come out and log a is coming. Now here e to the power x and log went, it is coming this into a by x. One last step, a to the power x log a plus a x to the power a minus 1. When this x will go up, it will have just opposite reciprocal, means coming up means minus 1. And see this answer and see this answer, isn't it matching? So either you use yes beta, either you use Saru, either you can use here main method like that by just playing with exponential and log. But only one thing is there, chain rule, those who are not knowing chain rule, for them it will be quite difficult, but answer will come. So that's why I am always encouraging children to go for chain rule, because once you will be understanding chain rule from the beginning, 12th differentiation will not be a tough job. You will take the content and you will throw the content. So I will just that's why I'm a bit selfish for my children, all of you. So only I'm telling you, play with chain rule, start playing with chain rule, it will be very, very important. Okay, now we are going to go for some typical questions now. Let's see how you are going to handle this question. This is exactly easy, but let's see how you are going to handle this question. Question given to you is x cube e to the power x sin x. Easy only beta, easy, you can do it. X cube e to the power x sin x, x cube e to the power x sin x. You can be able to do it, no problem. I know you will be able to solve. It is not at all a tough question beta, not at all a tough question. X to the power cube e to the power x sin x is there. X to the power cube e to the power x sin x is there. Nothing is there beta. Here three different type of functions are there. Three different type of functions are there. Just see what answer you are going to get. Three different type of functions and you will be able to delete. Pooja, where are you? Where are my children? They are not talking to me. If you are understanding, just say auntie understood. That will be enough for me. Danish understood beta? Now we have to differentiate this one, Danish. How to differentiate this one beta? Formula will be Sharu. Here three different functions are there na. So we are going to write it as u, v, w. So any one you can differentiate at a time. It is just a very simplest one. Just look here. So when y will be equal to u, v, w, then when you are differentiating dy by dx, so one time you differentiate u. When you are differentiating u, then v and w will be left. Now, when you are differentiating v, then what will happen? Ultimately, u and w will be left. And when you will be differentiating w, u and v will be left. Can't we do like this, beta? Can't we do like this? 3 are there. So one time only 1 will be there and other 2 will be left. And another 2 will be left, beta. Another 2 will be left. So just simple way, shall we go like this? So here x to the power cube, e to the power x and sin x is there. So 1 by 1, ayyo, why I did like this? So 1 by 1, we will be able to use it. So now according to the formula, when dy by dx, y will be exactly equal to x cube e to the power x sin x is given. So first time what we will do, we will write dy by dx. One time we are going to take x cube and we will leave all this too. So e to the power x sin x will be there and then x cube will be only differentiated. Okay, so now we are going to leave x cube this time because we have already used x cube. Now this time and sin x we are leaving. Now this time we are taking e to the power x with respect to x. Now next time what we are doing is we are leaving x cube and e to the power x. We are differentiating sin x with respect to x. That's it. This is the only simple thing and this is the most simplest. Then easy na Saru, we will be able to do it better because now it is coming as e to the power x 3 e to the power x x square because x cube differentiation will become 3x square. So 3 e to the power x x square sin x is coming plus x cube e to the power x sin x is coming. Then here sin x will become cos x, x cube e to the power x cos x is coming. X cube e to the power x cos x is coming. Now this is the most simplest way to come. Dy by dx, most simplest way to solve. Most simplest way, and this is the most easiest question, beta. It is looking typical, but it is exactly an easy question. So let's solve another question. This question will be quite tough for you. I think you will be able to solve this one also. X to the power n log of x square plus 4x plus 3 into e to the power x. When this question will be given to you, then how you are exactly going to handle the question? When this question will be given to you, x to the power n log of x square plus 4x plus 3 into e to the power x is there. So when this question will be given, how you are going to handle the question, beta? Same method will be there. Okay, Gautam has sent the answer. Okay. So Gautam has given the answer. Okay, Gautam correct. Okay, fine, no problem, Gautam. Now solve this question, beta. Solve this question, try this question out. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Try this one out. You will be able to do it. Nothing is there in this question. Only patience is needed to solve this question. Only patience. Small amount of patience. Now look here. First work what we are going to do here is we will take x to the power n and we will leave everything. Now here log of x square plus 4x plus 3 e to the power x to the power n taken. This 2 I have left. Fine. Now next x to the power n I have left log of x square plus 4x plus 3 I have left differentiated e to the power x with respect to dx. The next time what I am going to do is I am just going to leave both of that x to the power n e to the power x. Now this time I am going to take log, beta. This time solve, Sharu. It's a very interesting question, beta. Only last part I am going to apply chain rule. Only last part I am going to apply chain rule. So this part it will become log of x square plus 4x plus 3 by differentiation of x square plus 4x plus 3. What we have written? X square plus 4x plus 3 by dx. So this part I think you have understood. Come on, quickly tell me everyone, did you understood this part? So only one small work was there beta. Now here just last only one line dy by dx written, last line solving. So here x to the power n will become nx to the power n minus 1 e to the power x log of x square plus 4x plus 3. And now x to the power n e to the power x log of x square plus 4x plus 3. Now here x to the power n e to the power x. Now log differentiation with respect to dx is 1 by x. So here this part with respect to this means 1 by x square plus 4x plus 3. Now x square will become 2x plus 4. That's it. So this is exactly going to be the part. This is exactly going to the part. So why I have done like that? If three different functions they will give you, like here exponential is there, logarithmic is there, algebraic is there. So when three different functions will be given you, deal with them one by one. Take one, leave two. Take another, leave two. Take another one, leave two, like that. And if chain rule will be there also, apply the chain rule beta very cleverly. Okay, so I'm going to keep it till here. Tomorrow some very tough question I'm going to get. So second level questions tomorrow I'm going to solve. Today was also some level question was there, but tomorrow will be the hardest level questions. Okay, bye everyone, good night.